Is your cough so bad that your chest hurts every time? Stop wasting money on expensive syrups. This trick from your kitchen can stop it in one day. You only need two simple ingredients you have right now. First, a lemon, which is a natural antiseptic loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that cleans your throat. And second, salt, a powerful anti-inflammatory that kills bacteria on contact and helps break down that stubborn mucus. Together, they create an incredible natural remedy for immediate relief. Here's what you do. Slice a lemon in half, then sprinkle a small pinch of salt over each piece. Bring the lemon to your mouth and slowly suck on the juice. Do this 3 times a day if you need it. Morning, afternoon, and night. Your throat will feel brand new in just 24 hours. Let me know if it worked. Save this for later, and follow for more.